I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to teach you something on functions. So this is a topic that you need to know, and this question is coming from 2017 paper 1 functions. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. So we continue. We say the question reads, the function f and g are defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x equal to 5x minus 1. Find g inverse of x, fg of x, fg of negative 3. So these are the questions which we are given to answer. So I'm going to say solution. So let's answer these questions together. So we've got the first question. This is our first question. So our first question is saying find g inverse of x. We are told to find g inverse of x. So what is the first thing that you need to do? Where is this function coming from? So it says g. So the function g is coming from g of x is equal to, so it's coming from this function there. So which is 5x minus 1. It's coming from that function. Then we are told to find the inverse of this. So we are told to find the inverse of this. So how can we find the inverse of this? The second thing that you need to do after doing this part, you need to make sure that g of x is equal to y. In other words, where there is g of x, you substitute by y. So we are going to form an equation which will be y is equal to 5x minus 1. After reaching here, then you need to make x the subject of the formula. So you make x the subject. That's the next thing that you need to do. You need to make x the subject. So making x the subject of the formula, which means that this number here is going to go to the other side of the equation. Then we know that if a number crosses an equal to sign, the sign of that number changes. So if this is a negative, when it goes this side, the sign will change. So it will be a positive. So in other words, you're going to have y plus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to 5x. After reaching this part, then since we want to find the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by 5, even here by 5. So 5 there and 5 there will be what? Cancelled. I'm going to have this expression which will be x is equal to, so x is equal to what? X is equal to y plus 1 over 5. So I've made x the subject of the formula. So after reaching here, the next thing that I need to do now, I need to say, so the next thing that I will do, I will say g now, g inverse of x. I was told to find g inverse of x. So this is what I will do. After doing this, then where there is y there, since I've said g inverse of x, so where there is y there, I put x plus 1 over 5 like this. So this is my what? This is my answer. This is how I'm supposed to answer this question, which is part A. So I move to part B. So let's go to part B. So part B is saying find fg of x. We want to find fg of x. So when we look at these questions, when we look at these functions, we've got this is what? We've got this is g. So that's g. So we've got the g, which is, so we've got the f of x, which is equal to, so f of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1. I've got also g of x. So g of x is also equal to what? 5x is 5x minus 1. This is what I'm having. Then I'm told to find fg of x. So these are called composite functions. These are called composite functions. These are called composite functions. Why? Because we are combining two functions to come up with one function. In other words, we are saying fg. So the first function is f. Then we know that f of x is equal to what? 2x plus 1, like that. Then where there is, now we say f, this is f, then we've combined this with, I've combined this function with g. So it's f g x is equal to, which means that where there is x there, here, where there is this x, that's where I'm going to put the function g of what? G of x. This plus 1 will still maintain. So 2, then open bracket. Here there is x. Here, where there is x, that's where I'm going to put g of x. G of x is this function. So this is where I'm going to put 5x minus 1. Then I say cross bracket, then plus 1, maintain, like this. Then I say fg of x is equal to, then I do this. So this is equal to what? Then I say 2 times 5. So it's what? 10x. Then 2 times 1, it's 2. Then plus 1, like this. Then I work out this. So 10x, these are like terms. So negative 2 plus 1. So what you need to know, when you're having different signs, so if signs are different here, what you need to do, you need to subtract, then maintain the sign of a bigger number. So 2 minus 1, it's 1. Then we maintain the sign of a bigger number, which is negative 2. So it's minus c. So this is how you need to answer this question. So we proceed, we go to the last one now, where we are told to find fg of negative 3. So the first thing that should come to your mind, so this was for this one. Then we go to this one now. We are told to find fg of negative 3. So, do you have this function fg? Yes, it's this one. So I'm going to say fg of x is equal to what? Is equal to 10x minus 1. This is what I'm going to do. So after doing this, then fg, where there is x, there is negative 3. So negative 3 is equal to 10. Then my x, what is my x? My x is what? Negative 3. So multiply by negative 3 minus 1, like this. So this is equal to what? Negative 30, like this. Then, so minus 1, like this. Which is equal to negative what? 31. So when you're having same signs, you need to add, then maintain the sign. So same signs, add, then maintain the sign. Different signs, subtract, then maintain the sign of a bigger number. So this is how we answer these questions under functions. So we do offer tuitions in mathematics and science for the GCEs and grade 10, 11, 12. We offer tuitions. So if you are looking for tuitions, you can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line, +26 097 106 6747. You can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line, then I'll be able to respond to you. I'll be able to help you. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.